Alright guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I will be showing you my Axial RR10 bomber. This car was completed about a month ago. I did go ahead and paint the rear fuel cell, and I used a piece of medical tubing kind of as the filler tube, and I'm actually using the fake reservoir off a Axial Icon shock just for a top cap there. In the back I have the GearHead light bar, rear light bar. I have this being held on with the light bar brackets that you get with the Axial Light Kit. So I just have them kind of mounted up and running up and holding the light bar in place. I do have the TRX4 jack in here, and I just have that being held on with 2 screws. In the front I have the Team Associated aluminum 7 light bar. I put this on my Wraith recently and posted a video. But if you like the light bar and you want to see more detail about it, check out my Wraith video. I'll put a link in the description. For the body, I actually did paint this body. It's not perfect, but it came out pretty good considering I am no expert. But I went with a stock theme, the RTR look, and just made it my own in certain ways. The decals that you see, I actually got this with a separate pack of body panels. The original body that I had painted up for this came out absolutely horrible. The interior, I just used black. I didn't get crazy with the interior. I painted it black, I put the decals on, and that was pretty much it. On the front, the kit does come with the aluminum bodied King shocks. I have these set to the recommended preload. So as I get familiar with this car, I can make the adjustments as I feel necessary. For the front reservoir, I don't know, put a little detail in the front. So this is actually Traxxas fuel line that I have shoe-gooed. I've seen some guys do some way cooler things with this, so I may go back to the drawing board on this one. This is the kit, as I mentioned, so you do get the aluminum links. For the bottom, it's actually plastic, but it has the plates that bolt onto the outside. I am running a Savox 1210 waterproof servo in this, and I recently just received the AX30836 aluminum steering horn. The front steering links are aluminum, whereas in the Wraith you get the plastic front steering links, and that plastic is terrible in my opinion. So I'm very happy that the bomber came with the aluminum links up front. It's probably going to be super difficult to show you, but I am running the Mamba X ESC, and this is the slate motor. This is the Castle crawler combo with the 3800 kV motor. Alright, so I do have this bomber paired up with a Traxxas radio, and I do have it programmed with the auxiliary, so I'll show you how that works. Okay, so yes, I do have carpet in my garage. Don't ask me why. On the controller, when I want to run high gear or normal mode, the switch is in the down position. So the car will continue to roll. And I do have it set for instant reverse. Now if I flip the switch up, now I'm in Rock Racer crawler mode. So as soon as I let off the trigger, the vehicle stops. And I think it's pretty much all or nothing when it comes to the Rock Racer crawler mode. I can't figure out how to adjust the drag brake. Alright guys, so that's about it for today. Just wanted to show you my Axial RR10 bomber. So if you like what you saw today, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And have a great day. I'll see you soon.